A dramatic rescue in Wildwood where firefighters saved a young woman trapped in her car during a flash flood.
5 on your side's Paul Vassan talked with the heroes and shares their crucial message for drivers as heavy rains continue to pose significant risks on our roads.
This is what first responders saw when they rescued a 19-year-old woman trapped in her car Tuesday afternoon on Highway 109. Thankfully, she survived without any injuries. But emergency responders say the rescue is a warning to all drivers amid heavy rain and flooding.
The water was rushing very quickly.
Scott Barthelmess helped make the rescue. It was just a day after Boone County Assistant Fire Chief Matthew Tobin died while rescuing people from floodwaters in Columbia.
That was heavily on our mind that day. These are very dangerous operations for us. I mean, hugely dangerous operations.
You can still see the car. This is right where that woman hydroplaned and then got trapped. Experts expect only more flooding in the coming years. Their message to drivers: if you can't see the road, don't drive through it. Officials with the National Weather Service tell us Missouri is one of the hardest hit states for flooding. With increasing heavy rainfall linked to climate change, experts say it will be more and more important for drivers to avoid water-covered roads.
And over the past week and a half, we've probably had, 5 to 10 inches of rain in this area. That's a lot of water.
His message: slow down when it's wet.
The next thing is, if you get in a situation, the young lady who was the driver in this vehicle, she remained very calm the entire time. Her vehicle was stable. Don't try to get out of the vehicle. Let us do our job.
Important reminders to keep drivers and first responders safe. Reporting in Wildwood, Paula Vassan, 5 on your side.